Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm showing you how to replace your accelerator pedal with the sensor in it. In case you didn't know, the gas pedal or accelerator pedal comes with a sensor, and it works in sync with the throttle body sensor. So if one's off, it kind of throws the whole thing off. But here's the part number: 78110-52260. This is for the second Gen Vios or Yaris and a few other cars. So let's get this out. Alright, I'm back. So all that holds down the accelerator pedal is two bolts. One right here and one on the opposite side. So I apologize if I'm getting the camera's way. That's one. Now I'm gonna break this loose. That's one bolt. Alright, so now we're going to disconnect the harness that connects to the accelerator pedal. What you'll do, push down on the step, lift up, and then we just got to finish taking out this 10mm that's in the corner. Can't spin it freely, so I have to keep using the ratchet. So now we get the new one. You see this one. Alright, so that's the old one, that's the new one. Now what you do, just line it back up with this hole and that hole. I'm gonna try to do this with one hand. You can't use the camera mount because it's too tall, so you won't be able to see. While you at it, just reconnect it, you hear a click. That's so. Alright. So we got big hands. This small section right here is gonna be a pain. Okay. Man, it's super hot. Alright, and then I'll make it snug. That one's snug. That's it. And that's how you replace your accelerator pedal. And this is the sensor that tells how much you push down on the pedal. That way it knows what to tell the throttle body to how much to open. But that's it for this video. Hopefully it was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.